Hello everybody, this is Celesta Matthews from Karunya University, and today we are going to see a program based upon Java. I'll read out the question. Develop a Java program to print the numbers from 1 to 50. For multiples of 3, print CSE instead of the number. For multiples of 5, print conquerors. For numbers which are multiples of both 3 and 5, print Karunyans. So we'll see how the code is. First we have the main class over here, that is experiment 1A, and we have the main method. Okay, we have a loop over here which runs from 1 to 50, and the first condition which I have checked is if the number is a multiple of 3 as well as a multiple of 5 or not. If it is, then print Karunyans. If it is only a multiple of 3, then print CSE, and if it's only a multiple of 5, then print conquerors. Otherwise, you print the original number. So we'll execute it and see. So here is the output. So for 1 and 2, which are not multiples of 3 and 5, we have the number itself. 3 is a multiple of 3, so we have CSE, then 4 conquerors, CSE, and 15, which is a multiple of 3 as well as 5, we have Karunyans. So this was my first program. Now we'll see the second program. I'll read out the question as well. Okay. A man decides to buy a nice horse. He pays $60 for it, and he is very content with the strong animal. After a year, the value of the horse has increased to $70, and he decides to sell the horse. However, already a few days later, he regrets his decision to sell the beautiful horse and he buys it again. Unfortunately, he has to pay $80 to get it back. So he loses $10. After another year of owning the horse, he finally decides to sell the horse for $90. Develop a Java program to find the overall profit the man makes. So here, the first output which I have given is somewhat the beginning of the story, that is the horse cost 60 and we have bought the horse. Okay, after that I have declared a string over here and I have initialized it to yes, and we have cost which is 60 and the new cost is 60 as well. So we have profit as 0. The first output statement is that the horse is bought for 60 and now the new cost will be 60 plus 10, that is 70. After 1 year, the cost is equal to the new cost. That means the cost is 70. Now I'm asking the user if he wants to sell the horse or not. I take the input and I check if yes and the input are the same. If they are, then I proceed with the program. Here I have said that the horse is sold for the new cost. Now profit will be calculated, that is the new cost minus the old cost. And the cost is equal to new cost because after 1 year the original cost becomes 70 rupees and the new cost has increased to 80 rupees. I print out the profit after he sells the horse. After that, what we do is we again ask him if the user wants to buy the horse or not. The same procedure is repeated again and again, and you can display the profit at the end. So we'll see the execution of the program. Okay, here it is, just a minute.